After a good night's sleep in this beautiful place, it was time for a new day and new adventures. As I got up early, I saw some bushmeat running around the house. And no, we don't eat it. We call it murmeli, and they are very specific for mountain regions. The morning view was mind-blowing. Just negodi. Obodo Suiza maka. A great spot for a selfie before I headed on to breakfast. Also here with a beautiful view and an amazing buffet. I admired the cute wall decorations before it was time to head back down to the valley. This time with this fresh air cable car. We passed by some Effie Suisse before we continued our journey up to the waterfall. Yes, right here. And no, that wasn't it. And that wasn't the waterfall either. Yes, we were getting closer. Such a beautiful sight. And everywhere these beautiful flowers. After we climbed back down, we decided to take a tour around the lake. Too bad this water comes from the glacier, so it's definitely too cold to take a swim. I will be back, as it was time to go home, back to the city.